if Jafferson not signed to Unruly, him not bring him no more show.
A few moments later.
I tell me say him vex with me if he boss Alkaline. If he vex with me for that, brother, me boss Alkaline to get you out.
Time for studio when you see me. It change from artist to yeah.
2,000 years later.
After a while, Papi link me. And say forward the animosity. Come roll with the Unruly squad and Ray and thing.
One eternity later.
But me I roll on Papi now, me realize say this come like, you know, we did there 1 year and a half, 2 years, nothing and go on and them thing there. Me see artists a go road, they send Quada road and them something them just get fed up and me do a song.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
The problem I have with such man treat him friend them like shit. And I don't like it. Now
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, people. You have to watch a documentary. It's not go normal. Cause look at now. You saw the system thing working at dancehall. It's like, alright, the artist system thing starts from when you have Alliance, Bounty Killer, seeing bag of artists, everything. Then that transfer into Gaza, seeing Vice Cartel, bag of artists. And then now it transfer from Gaza, when Cartel go prison, it transfer going to Unruly, which is Popcaan. And want to listen to them clip here. We are going. Guys, a system thing. Seeing? Listen to what I want, people.
Me if you just you call me for link up and me if you can link up and do a voice song, come chill. When we do 1 month of foreign without $1, brother. From this I start all my money. I call me say, yo, tell me say, why you tell me say, I have no money? So if you do 1 month, I spend my money. If you come play tracks here every night and I like me forward, come chill, and me I play tracks them for you every night and everyone I show them.
And you know what that me realize, you know, Popcaan is a youth way. Him call you there on him, seeing him alone for make money, you know. Him just a use you forget film thing them sorted out. And that me realize because me have all bridging where we usually par around him and the man say, yo dog, them man there. Rather than them man they for give a little strength and for try, you know? No, I use them man, you use it when them there on him. You understand? That's why you see man, enough of the man them fall out, enough of the man them left him camp. You understand? Because the level of the man them for reach, him nah give them no strength like that. Him just any strength as a user strength. Yeah, or he must say, yo, for me give strength, me have to sign you. You have to sign that contract with me for me give strength. I saw him work, him not really give strength like that. But down in that video now I go see what go on.
Him start bring Jafferson on some show. Remember, Jafferson to Notnice record, him bring Jafferson on show, him bring Quada on show. Getting them out there. Yeah, we're not going to say no, he never do that.
So how comes the Jafferson and Quada thing forward? Yeah man, is like when Popcaan they have a boom clash thing a go on and Jafferson did and Quada, Animosity and Jashii, but you don't know them couldn't sign Jashii because Jashii did go school. Animosity now, when I go sit down in the video them, Animosity now did more only depend on the goalie side. They know through Popcaan and the goalie, you know, move out the thing never race. So them never took all what Animosity win, them never want sign Animosity because through them and say yo him link with the goalie thing and ray. But listen what I go on.
Do that. He never consult me if you bring Jafferson on show. Jafferson have show and Popcaan put him on show overseas and we have to give back people in money because Popcaan bring Jafferson on show. One of the at England, Popcaan tell me say yo, he now feel Jafferson energy. You see me? So Jafferson a pussy and no, he never say Jafferson a pussy. Me not tell no lie on him. He say yo, Jafferson real. As Jafferson get one song, Jafferson I go cut.
Remember, you know, people, remember my tell Notnice, you know. Seeing because you know what you want to do? You want Notnice to cut off Jafferson so him could have signed Jafferson. You understand? And that him want, you know. I want like a snake. You understand? So you might tell Notnice, say, yo, the boy I go sell you out in a ray. But look all the way I tell Notnice, you know, say Jafferson a snake and everything. Look what I go do after here.
You see me? Say Jafferson go sell me out. You see me? So if I watch Jafferson and you know trust him, alright then. When I reach a yard, the same Jafferson when him tell me say, yo, if you watch Jafferson because Jafferson I sell him out. Sell me out. He might get Jafferson contract to sign to Unruly. So Jafferson say, brother, oh, me fi sign to Unruly, and you know say me done sign to Notnice Records already. He must say, yo, in a business board that, and me and Jafferson have to work out that, and
Yo, you say man stay dog, you say man a snake. So after him I tell the man say, yo, Jafferson go sell you out and Ray, him a go behind this a man not nice back. I try sign Jafferson. But true Jafferson now turn it down and I say, yo, how me fi do that and Ray? Here him a go tell Jafferson, him no business but no contract where him and not nice have. Him no business. For sure, dog. The man they a sell out, brother. Sell out. Cause you see a man have a contract and you are go try call out the man out of the contract there. And you and a man a par. You see a man go to the man and I tell him say, yo, don't trust Jafferson. He might go sell you out, he might cut once him get him sang. So I tell you, you see how the system thing work. Once them can't get for use you, they might try just bring down your thing. You understand?
If Jafferson not signed to Unruly, he not bring him on no more. Sure. But I want to tell me who fuck up this. I'm going to say, alright, if my artist not signed. Remember, you know, from Unruly clash done, you know. You know, Quada did there. And Animosity, and me tell him, say, yo, you sign Quada. Because Quada a better artist. Me I go sign the artist then. Me I sign Quada, me I sign Jafferson.
People don't notice Animosity winning, you know. See, people, remember, you know, Animosity winning, you know. And Animosity supposed to sign with Popcaan them. Iman not nice. But look here now. It never bother do through Animosity depend the goalie side thing. You understand which? And I like say Animosity. I say yo. Wait, goalie. Animosity I just try make it. I use him talent and everything to try make it and sign. So it maybe now meds goalie and them something, but them are meds that. So them never pay him no mind. Them just work with Jafferson and Quada. You understand? Cause them hear Quada voice and everything and Ray. Is it?
Sign Jafferson already, but me willing to give a share of Jafferson career. I'm saying to Jafferson alright with it. And him say, yeah man, alright thing that, and then he told me I go sign Quada. He may not go sign Quada himself. Then I try give Jafferson contract. You see, man, you tell me say you are going to sell me out there, I try give him contract for sign to Unruly. See? When Jafferson don't sign. And that's where the problem start from.
So you see it? Yo, we are telling you that you the name Popcaan in him dangerous, you know. Him dangerous, man. Me I tell you. Him dangerous. Once you now work with him system, him now gain a strength. And them say them look out for youths. You understand? Because if you sign, you come to agreement, him and not nice say, yo, we are sign Quada together. See, him end up go sign Quada without not nice get involved. All them say him and Quada I go do it. Him and Popcaan I go do it. But Popcaan go behind him back and sign Quada. See, and then now, not nice sign Jafferson. Now, him want Jafferson. Let's try set up for if he not nice stop the Jafferson so him can have the two artists there for himself. Jaja.
So him a go vex with Jafferson now through Jafferson. Never signed to him. And from that him stop bring Jafferson on show and stop give dog no strength. He want to look like him and him bring you them on show and him try to help you them, but none of them man then talk. Cause see him Quada him say yeah, Quada loyal and Ray. I mean, he said one Quada come back and complain, say, yo, Popcaan help him. A reflex video do from when I'm Popcaan and dropping video.
Alright, look at now. The video we are going to play with Quada. See, so basically, Quada did a reply to what I say. But you see, Quada no sense. You understand? Because look at now. True, not nice forward out and start expose certain things. Cause Popcaan never really do nothing for me, you know. So him go to not nice and say, yo, dog, do something for me. Them tiny Popcaan gonna foreign. You understand? But true, it bust out now. Him no want Popcaan for pre him. So him run out, gonna do live and I say, yo dog, I try turn the narrative now. When Not Nice was the same man make him get a hit song, you know. With him and Javinci, you know. That's how I tell you. You see where him career there now? You see where Quada career there now? Brother, sometime you have to focus, bro, and put on yourself first and not put a next man, brother. And then go end up in a ditch, bro. But here what Quada say?
I mean, dog, I'm gonna tell you this, dog. You ever just tell people them straight, say, after you give me the energy as an artist, you tell me strictly not do like artist again. Cause artist not loyal. Come in and know what you want me to do, brother. Come like you want me say. I'm not nice because me say. I'm par with you every day. And I par with my boss. And my boss bring me to the forefront. Me sign to Unruly, bro. And you know that, bro. You see me, dog? You see me on stage show already and you tell me, you know, when I forward to you in night, you know. Country, I want stage show, I can't remember which part me there in Jamaica, you know, I'm about far part, you know. I feel that way out there myself, come here and say, John,
people are balling, man want ball, you know. I feel away say Not Nice come talk certain things, you know. The man could just stick out and just, yo, hold him on. Man have to come out and a ball because him no want Popcaan, say nothing and, you understand? When him was the one that go around Not Nice and I say, yo, dog, give me a strength. Cause remember, you know, Not Nice is a man him not too talk, so when you see him forward out, you know him a vent.
I make me team, bro. When me I go sing in the night, I want to be me line up. I'm a link here, bro. I'm a say to you, say, fam, where you think me for go up on the stage go sing? You say me a pussy, dog. I'm enough to deal with my family, them, so.
that are out.
Yeah. Of course you're a pussy, brother. Because the man help you out and everything. Now see you forward pan live now. The man pick up wagwan. Because you see a thing front of the man face. Seeing which is not nice. But when the man look, the man see her move some different way around Popcaan. You not sure same energy, dog. So that's why the man say you're a pussy.
Oh, Celebration Vice. When Celebration Vice Popcaan gone for him. See him? And Quada come to me, a ball say you have to give him one song.
Ear system thing a kick in.
Alright, then everything good, Quada. I saw Celebration Vice. And when Popcaan hear this song, Popcaan say he can't put out. See him? Because really and truly.
You see it? When the song voice, Popcaan said can't put out. You say if not nice, they follow that, them wouldn't get that song there. You understand? When the song was say, anytime we link up, yeah, a celebration song with him and Javinci. Good song, a big song, man. You understand? If not nice never do that they would need enough out. You understand? Because Popcaan say, yo, no want nothing put out. Because Popcaan did that whole but the youth them career. You understand? Him have video for drop Popcaan, no one drop it. Because Popcaan just want to use them. You understand?
Quada sing Celebration by himself. And I say, Quada, I don't like the chorus on. The chorus want to lift. I suck on me make. Javinci sing the chorus. You see him? So when Popcaan says his song can't put out, Quada can tell me say dog say his song can't put out. And I say, Quada, really, you may do this fine. So if you're a boss, I can tell you say his song can't put out. Me just have to love it. I say, yo, please, you need the strength there. I say, everything good. Because I can drop his song once the song drop, and I like him can take up back his song. And all if I work out, he just work out. Get Jafferson contract for sign to Unruly, you know, say, Jafferson already signed.
Yeah, man, a sugar thing that, man. Sugar thing. That is a real snake move, dog. I tell you, that sound like somebody will stab in your back. If you know, say, you have a contract with sign an artist and you are try sign the same artist where a man sign with. I disrespect that. You understand? I look at things that are true, not nice, because I could have sue him.
It's like when you want, like, a man want everything for himself, then like, yeah. You have to sign everybody and still sign you with them and not do nothing for them. That's song that fucker. You know, want that pan rhythm. See?
So it look like Jafferson do a song and he must say, yo, his song a shaky. Him not want that pan him read, whatever rhythm him have. You see, that's when the system at work. Them not want the youths rise out there, you understand? But look what, we're not nice, I go say what go on.
Say, so no want that pan rhythm. Alright, I build over rhythm and put out this song, you see his song work. You see him song where he must say a fucker. See? The last song where Jafferson put out, when him well precise. That song the Vice, from Popcaan rhythm, Popcaan, drop the rhythm and don't put out Jafferson. See?
You see it? You so much thing Popcaan do. If you try to hold on the youth them career, everything a blockage, I tell you.
And when me go to no below rhythm put out the song, him a go say him Jefferson talk. Brother Jefferson's voice the song when you heard him 4 months ago. See Ching there? Who you can agree for that? Who did it? Where Ching there? Never saw him.
So look at now, Ching usually they run him, right? And then Sean Paul, you know, they run. I'm tell you this people, I'm tell you how me feel, my opinion. I feel like you know, Sean Paul see the potential and thing, and Sean Paul is a vibes man, you know, seeing. And he maybe see Ching or, you know, and I say, yo, do a little thing and help him out. And trust me, Ching, Sean Paul really help out Ching. Because when Sean Paul a tour with some big crowd in front of white people and everything, when you look, Ching all have all him own bus. I think it named Partner Jar. No. Saving Pan. Man buy a coaster and have it around for Goshen and every little thing. Forward down a Constant Spring. You understand? I'm not sure if it's still there, but the man buy a bus. Hustle. A big thing I go on. The youth life just a lift up. Ching, me I tell you. Because Sean Paul must end up signing him and thing. I think him still did around Sean Paul and thing, brother. You see? But me feel like something did go on. And that's why Sean Paul say, yo, I'm help you. You see? Because him there on Popcaan and nothing go on for youth. You understand? But look at now, Ching in a youth, him not like the social media thing, him not like the back and forth thing. So look at now. Him go up on the fix, them and ask him the question, but look at now, you see through him no want the backlash and every little thing. Him have to play smart. You see me? Him have to play smart. Because as him say, the contract done. You understand? The contract done. Although Sean Paul say, yo, I think him is still under the contract. And, you know, him did a try. Keep on show and things, see me, and Popcaan say, yo, because Sean Paul say, yo, him and Popcaan good and thing. But I feel like Ching did it and him see nothing now go on. And him say, yo, him not like where I go on. See him like the other artist, man, we were there on him. And him just say, yo, you understand? But listen what Ching I say.
Yeah. But them hear you sign to Sean Paul.
Yeah.
You were signed to somebody else before that.
They signed to Popcaan before that.
Yes. So I think
Popcaan, I'm a G.
he's still.
Still my G, my general,
So-
and it can't change.
Because people been out there wanting to know
Yeah,
what
man,
happened,
that- yeah,
because it
people-
kind of just did happen, and then people wonder what happened. So
Yeah.
I nothing we're falling out or nothing like that.
No falling out. The contract goes up. Yeah. And Ching just decided to take it to another level. Yeah.
So the contract was up and Ching decided to take it on a next level. So that show you say the level where him did there, nothing never did a go on. So him say him want to take it to a different level which him go sign with Sean Paul, Dirty Rock. You understand? As him said, the contract up. Remember, him could have renewed the contract, him could have still signed to Popcaan, but nothing nah go on. Seem like the other rest of artists them a fall out and I say, yo, them no rate how Popcaan a deal with him dogs them around him. You understand? Remember, Notnice I tell you everything where I go on. You see me? So, you know, Ching him now come out and come out like how you da see Notnice them and certain artists would have forward out and I say certain things. You understand? Him a just, yo, cool and Popcaan. Cause you know, you a man you can do a man in a rate where I go on, you know. And you just know say you have a plan for left. But you still have to show respect same way. Cause I'm the gear that little strength there. But you maybe there on him and you say you want a strength. It's like him not really rate. I remember, you know, him a go to some Popcaan, I go to some place and I do some show and we not two say Ching. You understand? One night time. So it's like when you check it, you saw him a carry Jafferson and Jafferson never signed to him, but him you want Jafferson signed to him for him give him strength. Cause I say if him Jafferson sign him now give him camp and no more show. But this time I did depend show. This time I did depend the contract Ching. But him never really carry Ching on certain show. You saw Sean Paul carry Ching on some big world stage, man, tell you, thousands of white people, you know. Yeah, man, them call him the chainsaw man and them look at thing there. Yeah, man, the youth did a start to something bigger level and, you know, out there and, yeah. So, listen what Ching I say.
Understand? So, and then we see on the internet, be things are going on and things. I don't know. I don't really let the internet run my life, you know.
That bag of speculation.
Yeah, I don't really.
Popcaan and people run back on, I'm not going to do that. You vex with me for that. He might tell me, say, he vex with me if he boss Alkaline. What if he vex with me for that, brother?
You see, Popcaan, a bad mind youth. You understand? He's a bad mind youth. Him no want, that's why him say world a drive and him a the pilot. You understand? Because look here now. When you drive, when you president drive, remember say you have one car front type president, you know. Him want govern everything. See? Remember say Alkaline have nothing to do with this man, you know. But because nothing now go on and the Gaza thing gone and every little thing, him want run in now. You understand? Him want run in a big friend and all of them little thing there with Notnice. True, him know said Alkaline there around there. But listen what Notnice I go say, what him say about Alkaline.
We boss Alkaline to get you out. Not now go on for me come voice and build up my thing, brother, no time. When not now go on for you. When you lick me for voice, you say your voice and give me big song. So who build the rhythm? Go on for me, brother. Alkaline been hot, career hot from before that, from things me love.
You see it? So, this brother yeah, named Popcaan, tell Notnice say, yo, Notnice, boss Alkaline fi get him out. Them time they know, Alkaline with the eyeball, you know. Notnice not have nothing to do with it. With the eyeball, Alkaline idea that and everything. And the Alkaline have his song and the talent and everything, brother. You understand? Notnice was just a producer like any other producer, bro. Notnice who never did it with the Gaza or anything. See him, so Alkaline have the controversy and everything. But Popcaan never like that. Cause me say him not like see other youths. You see me get them attention they over him. You see it. So that's why I'm talking about him Notnice. Yeah, the man no deal. Notnice left the Gaza. Wanna push him out. Then now when the youth, when Notnice are doing own a thing now with Alkaline, you are gonna say Notnice boss Alkaline forget you out. Me not understand this. How much artists in a dancehall? Why Notnice with a boss Alkaline forget you out? Me not understand that, bro. Remember say you no throw Notnice out of the Gaza thing, brother. So what you want the man do? If you just sit down and not do nothing and not try make food so him can feed him family. That's some bad mind and systematical thing, brother. You understand?
So how you know if you come boss me back?
Right.
So look here now, people. This is a Teflon. Because him they all run out on Alkaline. No, because him they run the, you know, Unruly camp and thing. But this is how Popcaan treat the artists them. Have them like some little follow back and some little come on around and some artists when they can use a certain energy and them little thing they sit down in a drop top car and all of these things. Yeah, man. So listen now.
Yeah, right now them. No, me don't know when it's a papi is a man, me just hear song them. Okay. Me not really 1 and 2 times me there up at house up at Cherry Garden when you need a vice, but he's not a man who really did it sometime when you come. Me not read. Me try show you.
Just listen where I go say about Popcaan. Where Popcaan. Just listen. Them man are artists now, but listen what I go on.
You see, papi, you really a warrior. The man had time for studio when he see me. I change from artist to yeah. And
What kind of reaction that? A man say Popcaan change from artist to what that mean? People, tell me.
even me, I change to artist. Come here, say, yo, man, I like this black bad thing. I feel like me and this bad thing, you know. We love music. What the
So you know when I try to explain this to people, I try to explain say, yo, him want to do music while him there on Popcaan, but Popcaan I want that. Popcaan want him for there on him every day, them go river, them go stage show, put him in a category like with them wanna him follower them. Yeah, and you don't know the Unruly and the little badness thing. That's how way Popcaan want him for, but a music him want to do.
what I'm doing now? So, even me trying to portray that energy. Did they?
So look here now, Jashii that go and good in the dancehall space, you know, people. But let me tell you what, I don't know if you don't notice, say, Jashii and Popcaan are too par like that again, you know. Yeah, man. Him and Jashii not too par again, if you don't realize. Come a fifth and with you, me I see it and me I say, yo, something go on. Same like we other artists them I go through, our people them their own papi, a same thing go on, but he maybe not go load it up. But this is one clip where they usually par and remember, you know, Jashii just forward in the game, you know. Mad move, band fighter and everything. And the moment when me see man go around Popcaan, I say, Jashii, I dash your career, dog. You understand? And after that, I be things go on. Yeah, be things, nothing after that, brother. But listen this. So this time man Popcaan in a drop top range. So look here now, animosity forward out. So this is animosity where they win the Popcaan, whatever, boom clash show, but them never choose him because him live on Cassava P side, you don't know a gully side that. So him a forward out and come say something. You see, cause look here. After them never choose him, you know, Popcaan always call them and link them and say, yo, forward, and turn them in a canamas. But let me tell you, see some of them artists here, them love handout too much. Them no like fi build them own a career. Them love big strength, brother, and end up low strength. You see it, the follow back a thing on love yo artists with us. Yo, can you pan sit? No, brother, from no own a way, bro, no own a formula, no own a pattern. You understand? Yeah.
After a while, Papi link me. I say forward the animosity. Come roll with the Unruly squad and Ray and
You hear, no? You notice? Popcaan never say, yo, animosity forward. Go do a collab. Go do, you know, some project. Go do an album. You hear a man say, Popcaan say, come roll with the Unruly camp. I saw him give them the pill and chew them money. Licky and say, oh, yeah, man, Unruly boss, man. Yo, yeah, man, I get some big strength in their music, you know. Never know, say them I go get trash. You understand? And just get left one side. Career gone down the drain. Can't no boss, nothing them not get.
their own papi up, our own papi up, you know. Zin. Yeah, because of BAM. And all we are power. We are talking about nothing call name, brother. The only thing a man can do is kill me, no, brother. Or me kill him. That's all.
Somebody in the comment say, yo, don't call Popcaan name.
That's all. Anyway, when me I say, yo, papi now, call me, start roll on papi. When me I roll on papi now, me realize, say, it's come like, you know, we did 1 year and a half, 2 years, nothing go on and everything there. I see artists, I got road, they say Quada road, and them just get fed up and me do a song.
You see it? Brother, people, me no want to think say some makeup thing me I do with, you know, cause me know a source where usually par on them man there, and the man them a tell me things. You understand? So me I tell you, say, yo, it's a system thing, bro. You understand? If you not work with it, boom, you just get dash over this, brother. Link or go count, you can't get certain links, certain things. You understand? Cause once him see a par with the link, and then it cut everything cut for you. You understand? So you say him say him dead, and he must say, yo, no, 1 year pass, and he must say a bag of artists are send out and certain things. Maybe they must see him as just, as a man say, remember, a man never call him if you do an album or no project or no collab. Man say come par with the Unruly. So them turn now and look follow back a man. You understand? So listen what I go on.
Do a song and the song go viral. See me talk my mind, come on here, me have some Unruly shot. Cause remember, you know, my entourage get weak by going on papi. Because the man in the gully say me switch.
Yo, dog, I tell you brother, man say, yo, what them say switch. You switch up, dog. That me I tell you brother. You don't even know what you do. You set up yourself, dog.
After them war for me, I go switch on them, and that's how them look on it. So my thing weaken. And then I get the strength I'm supposed to get. After me, I consider so I put me risk my life. And then it come like a joke thing. And then even give me a rhythm and say, you go voice one song and try. We try with you. Or do a little collab and try with you because you win.
Brother, remember a man call you and tell us to come roll with the Unruly, man. Never tell us to come do no collab or nothing, bro. So my time if you stay in on the lane, bro. You understand? You love receive strength too much. Find no one a lane, dog. You understand? And stop try. You know say you have some systematical thing a go on, brother. You no see it. I don't feel like say, yeah, man, go here, so I go. Hey, make you go and stay there.
I'm risk my life. Be a trend. No man can hang up on the goalie and do the interview on the goalie. And that's how come because I'm bone up some Unruly shit. Out of vexation.
So basically, this is how Popcaan do them, you know. The one them we sign and the one them we not sign, then he just give them some Unruly shirt. Label them. Yeah man, my power the Unruly. You understand? But look here now, them no know say yo, I no energy I get take with dog. One of those I use as a figure. You know you go in a some clothes store and you see on the mannequin them put on some clothes. If you sell, yeah, at that Popcaan to put on the Unruly clothes, put them and them something there. Label them and use them as an element. But when them tell them nah reap nothing nah happen to them.
You see me? And I found this so we get a third fight again in the business because when you go against an artist, the artist himself, when people talk about artists have to stop your artist. Artists not have to stop your brother, artists not have time for you, brother. The fan base. For you discern artists and the fan base right here, brother, you have a problem. Our fans run this, our fans are the real system.
But you have to remember say the artists control the fans too, bro. You understand? So the artists have control too. Because the artists come out and say, yo, don't do this, don't do that, just allow him. Some of them are going to do it, but some are just rare. You understand? So the artists have a part to play too. You understand?
Yeah? The artists have no power without fans. You see? Fan base are the real system.
But who the fan base represent? Not the artist, brother. So not the artist, fam. Are the same system where you go in the Unruly thing, where you not benefit. Are the same artist, brother. You go on like say fans just come and say, yo, are them, can you think a fan control artists? I artists control the fans, bro. So if fans them say this and the artist now say nothing. The fans them say, oh, I chew him just a work with it. Alright, bam, continue. You understand?
You see me? So now, them see a switch off a goalie, and then they come back and this up Unruly camp on him something there. And you know Unruly link with Gaza and Ray. So who go push you? You have to push yourself now. We are fans there. And that's how it go. And that's politics. Not the business. Because you come far for the goalie, but you with the competition, they run more far. Man, them run Unruly not go trust you 100% either.
Then if you know that, brother, you shouldn't go around the Unruly gang then, brother. You shouldn't go around the man them, fam. If you know that, why you go around the man them, then you expect whatever thing for forward to you, fam.
You see it? Even though you win, you're not going to trust you 100%. So one of them things there. Reach me in the business, you see it?
Yeah, man, I saw it set, man. But look at now, people. Vershon, they forward out, you know. You understand? Listen, because Vershon usually power around Popcaan too, you know. Seeing? I don't know if I make a clear video because of sight. You understand? So Vershon forward out and attack a bag of thing. Because him was a part of the Unruly camp too. But look at now, him never like what go on at the Unruly camp. Or him a deal with the man them. You understand? So at that go on, where's something going on with him bridging and Popcaan not even shout him and say, yo dog, what go on? So him just cut from the camp, but listen what go on.
Stop make it look like say me have a problem with such man because of a collab, or me have a problem with him because of signing. So when I try to paint the narrative down, stop it. The problem I have with such man treat him friend them like shit. And I don't like it.
People, how much artists are go forward out and say these things? So much artists cannot forward and talk about the CM system camp thing. You understand? The CM thing. That means there's something go on.
Not because you're the man with the money, not because you're the man with the status, you don't treat your friend them like that. So what you try to tell me now, say, all I friend them will come out, come talk against such man. I lie them, I tell them. I lie everybody, I tell.
You see it? Boy, I tell you, yo, this is the system. You have the system, the whole organ, the whole industry, and you have the system within the artists them. You understand? Which Alliance, Gaza, and Unruly. You see it?
Such man, you well know say me never yet ask you about no collab or ask you about no signing or me never have no form of business conversation. Apart from here we go river, here we make two part, here we go up on two local show and two local style, and that's about it, bro.
You see it? River, all of them look something here. I'm tell you. The man just want you forward around him and so you can drain a little energy, and if you go carry up and show, you know, you have to go sign contract. You understand? Seem like when Notnice I talk about him want to sign Jafferson behind him back.
Listen up, I don't know what kind of pillar talk you give big head, you know, but yo, stop it, bro. Stop it, because I don't force me to say things I don't really want to say. And you see, you big head, we run up a post, boy, you post some first sitting, and I talk about established artists, nothing call up no less established artists unless them sign them. Let me tell you this. Vershon 2016 book for Sumfest. See that? So I underline my name right there, so Vershon book for Sumfest in a 2016.
So basically what go on sometime in the Virgin reach later hour. So it's like him never get for perform. So look here now, Popcaan did a perform, so Popcaan call him up, which Virgin did book too. So it look like bigger than some other man, and him say, yo, remember say Popcaan did gear strength and call up on stage, which Virgin was booked. But the time just passed. You understand?
Jamaica people vote for Vershon as the best breakthrough artist for the year. So Vershon did book for Sumfest 2016. Why me never perform on my own time? Because me never pound you all. You understand? Me reach the people them show late and them say me miss my performance time. Me and the dog apart and the dog say, watch you know? Me go call you up on my set. Nothing wrong with that. I saw we culture stay for years. So me don't know what kind of corruption that you try bringing in music.
You see it? I left him, man. I left Virgin one, I left the camp kind of like where I go on, you know. But them a try bring up and fabricate something for try bring him down. Just because I left the system.
Such man well I know the problem I have with him. Him know say because him treat him friend them like them are nobody.
So you see it, Virgin attack, Quada go on like nothing never did a go on. And we hear Notnice attack. You understand? So you see say yo, everything a connect right, yeah so.
Such man, you remember what happened up a Popcaan? You remember how you call down my phone to come and stage show up a Popcaan, and when I reach up a Popcaan, me and my friend them, me in a venue.
Why when Popcaan a call them man just quick figure, brother? They man how we do them something here, bro. We can't even fully blame Popcaan alone. Uno part I think to you, brother. Bro, no from militant and whole and own dog and see certain energy, brother. You understand? Cause if you say my call on your phone, that means you're not even to want a par like maybe my call if you par and you know that. Cause you have your career.
So when I'm bridging out the door, the whole community come down on him over one misunderstanding. See? And when me run go out there to go see what happen, you tell me nothing go. I'm still go out there go make sure say me go see what happen and make sure say my bridging alright. The whole community beat him and stab him up and bag at sitting over one misunderstanding. Me have to take him up and bring him go you it. And the next day everybody else call me except for you. And I
yeah man. Them man in a care, brother. Once it have nothing to do with fee man get fee interest. Him no business about that dog. You understand? But you know the other way, brother.
You call me out of my bed, my youth. That's why I'm top par with you. You never call me and ask me my brethren, alright. So I see how what type of person, bad man. You understand? Me see how what type of person. Same way how you treat your brethren them and that energy that you try push off for me, bad man.
People, I say things that you know, when the system work, it'll work. You understand? And once you get within the system and you try to leave the system, they're gonna try to get you out. You understand? I don't know a different a lot of system out there. I don't know anytime a person try to expose the system or try to left the system will try to get you out. You see with them great artists they out there. You understand? With them take them life and everything. But people, this is the unruly system. You understand? Yeah, we are forward from what I call it, ancestors. You see me? Unruly thing are forward from Gaza Gaza forward from Alliance. So yeah, it's still a bloodline system, same way. You understand? But people don't know now. One media facts, you know, big up everybody, you know. Yeah, man, if you reach this far in a video, bless up on yourself. You don't know, respect for the strength. You see me? Big up. You don't know one media facts. That is it.